On Wind Spirit Way in Arvada, the Colorado mountains rise like a promise. Inside, Apollo builders designed a vast living room space with windows and lights. In the kitchen, function meets flair, custom cabinetry, styled surfaces, and bright lighting that make prep effortless and gatherings effortless to gorgeous. Then, the retreat, a bathroom and shower. Think curbless entry, frameless glass, rainfall and handheld fixtures, warm tile underfoot and built-in niches, every detail designed for calm, comfort, and daily luxury. Downstairs, the basement transforms into your personal gym with mirrors and storage tailored to your routine. Alongside, handcrafted wine racks bring a touch of refinement to every celebration. We added a private parents' unit, quiet, comfortable with a kitchenette and ensuite, thoughtful independence within the home. And everywhere you look, the Colorado panorama returns, captured, framed, and elevated by Apollo Renovation.